Welcome to the Wealth and Prosperity channel. Today, we'll explore a powerful meditation to help you overcome imposter syndrome and open the doors to financial prosperity. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and start breathing deeply, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel your body relaxing with each breath. Acknowledge imposter syndrome. Allow yourself to feel the doubts and insecurities that arise when you think about financial prosperity. Visualize yourself in a state of acceptance and understanding. Know that it's normal to feel this way sometimes, but also know that you deserve prosperity. Imagine yourself surrounded by a golden light, symbolizing abundance and prosperity. Feel that light filling your entire being. Repeat aloud or in your mind, "I am deserving of financial prosperity. I have the skills and talents necessary to achieve my financial goals." Visualize your financial goals manifesting. See yourself living the life of your dreams, enjoying financial security. Feel gratitude for this prosperity, even before it physically manifests. As you continue to practice this meditation daily, imposter syndrome will begin to dissipate, and financial prosperity will become a natural part of your life. Remember that the worthiness of wealth is within you. Now, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and leave your comments below on how this meditation has impacted your journey towards financial prosperity. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more daily meditations and guidance on creating the life you deserve.